Welcome to Education for All channel. Watch the complete video for detailed information.
Commonly used shortcuts for computers. General shortcuts. CTRL plus C copy. CTRL plus X cut. CTRL plus V paste. CTRL plus Z undo. CTRL plus Y redo. CTRL plus A select all. CTRL plus F find. CTRL plus S save. CTRL plus P print. Alt plus tab switch between open Windows or applications. Windows key plus D show desktop. Windows key plus A open file explorer. Windows key plus L lock computer. Windows key plus R open run dialog box. Windows key plus I open settings. Web browsing shortcuts. CTRL plus T open a new tab. CTRL plus W close current tab. CTRL plus Shift plus T reopen the last closed tab. CTRL plus tab switch between tabs. CTRL plus F5 refresh page and clear cache. F5 refresh page. F11 toggle full screen mode. CTRL plus zoom in. CTRL plus zoom out. CTRL plus 0 reset zoom level. Word processing shortcuts. CTRL plus B bold. CTRL plus I italicize. CTRL plus U underline. CTRL plus L align left. CTRL plus R align right. CTRL plus A center. CTRL plus J justify. CTRL plus Shift plus L bulleted list. CTRL plus Shift plus N apply normal style. CTRL plus Shift plus greater than increase font size. CTRL plus Shift plus less than decrease font size. Commonly used keyboard shortcuts for Microsoft Office. CTRL plus A select all. CTRL plus C copy. CTRL plus X cut. CTRL plus V paste. CTRL plus Z undo. CTRL plus Y redo. CTRL plus F find. CTRL plus H replace. CTRL plus S save. CTRL plus P print.
Thanks all for watching. Keep studying. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.